have the very first unboxing review of Xiaomi M365 Pro, and we're going to compare it with the old version, Xiaomi M365, and let's see whether it is worth buying it. Look, Xiaomi M365 Pro is in front of us. On the left hand side we have the new version, and on the right hand side we have the old version. Let's look at them from different angles. The new version has a display screen, which is a big upgrade. Now you can see the speed on the screen, and also the 3 different modes: Eco mode, Standard mode, and Sports mode. For the old version, you need to connect the app to see the speed, which is inconvenient. Another big upgrade is the motor output. The new Pro version has 600 watt output, while the old one has only 500 watt output. We will see how much differences this additional 100 volt output can make in our later hill test and acceleration test. Another big upgrade is the battery capacity. The old version is 287 watts per hour, now it is 474 watts per hour. The result of the upgrade is that the back becomes longer. We also notice that the disc becomes bigger, but how much is the difference? Let's check it out later. You can easily notice the difference from this perspective. For the sports mode, it takes only 6 seconds to reach 25 km per hour. For the old version, the difference is now obvious. It's only 1 second behind. Now we are going to do an even more challenging job. We will add 15 kilograms dumbbell on the rider, and the total weight is 78 kilograms. Without the dumbbell, it takes 6 seconds to reach top speed. With the dumbbell, it takes 1 second more. It's the same result for the old version. It's 1 second slower. Challenge upgrade. Now the total weight is 90 kilograms. Even carrying 90 kilograms total weight, the Pro still does a good job. It takes 9 seconds to reach the top speed. The acceleration is more difficult for the old version. The acceleration time is 2 seconds behind compared to the new version. Let me tell you the secret why the new version is faster from the technical perspective. In the app, you can see the real-time motor output. The peak motor output for the new version can go up to 1000 volts, and for the old version, it can only reach 650 watts. This is why Pro can handle a heavier weight compared to the old version. Let's have a quick acceleration test under Eco mode and Standard mode. Now let's do a hill test. The slope is 15 degrees and the length is 120 meters. It is not a difficult job for Pro. It can reach 22 kilometers per hour. but for the old version, it struggles to reach 20 kilometers per hour. We'll apply the brake when passing the second light. The brake distance for the Pro is slightly shorter compared to the old one. Now let's have the final review of today's test. The first one is acceleration. The motor output of the new Pro version has increased by 20% from 500 volts to 600 volts. But in reality, it costs only 6 seconds to reach top speed. So it's a massive improvement in acceleration. Second, hill climbing. In the hill climbing test, the new Pro costs only 15 seconds to reach the top of the hill, and the speed went up to 22 kilometers per hour. In contrast, the old one cost 20 seconds, and the speed only went up to 20 kilometers per hour. Third, display screen. In the old version, there's no screen, and you have to connect your phone with the electric scooter to check the speed, which brings the risk of crashing your phone accidentally. In the new Pro version, the display screen is super helpful. You can see the speed and 3 different modes on it. The last thing is the brake. The brake disc has become bigger, and the brake distance has been reduced, but not significantly. In addition, the battery capacity has increased by 50%. In our next episode, we will do a range test to see how far it can go. On the flip side, the weight of the new version has increased by 1.9 kilograms. How much is the impact? It varies. It depends on personal situation. That's all for today's unboxing and review. Hopefully you have a clear understanding whether it is worth it to buy it. If you like our channel, please give us a thumb up, leave a comment, or follow our channel.